Your Samsung Galaxy S26 might be secretly slowing down your internet or struggling to stay connected to Wi-Fi, and unless you check these settings, it won't stop. Let's go over them one by one. To begin, swipe up from your home screen and open Settings. Next, tap Connections and select Wi-Fi. This is your main control center for everything related to your wireless connection. Once you're here, make sure the Wi-Fi switch is turned on so your device can connect to available networks. Right under the Current Network section, you'll see the name of the Wi-Fi you're connected to along with its status. If it says Connected, everything is working fine. But if you see something like No Internet or any other relevant labels, then that's your first sign that there's a connection issue that needs attention. If it shows everything's good, tap the gear icon next to your connected network to open more details. Inside, you'll find useful options such as network security, password, and auto reconnect, which allows your phone to automatically reconnect when the signal drops. Keeping this turned on is a good idea if you move around frequently within range of your network. Otherwise, just turn it off. You can also tap View More to check advanced details like IP settings, proxy, and MAC address type if you're troubleshooting deeper issues. Now here's something most users overlook. At the bottom of this screen, you'll find options like QR code, share, and forget. If you tap QR code, your phone will generate a scannable code that lets another device connect to your Wi-Fi instantly without typing the password. This is one of the fastest ways to share your network with friends or other devices. You can also tap Share to send this QR code through apps like Messages, Gmail, or even social media. And if you want to keep it for later, tap Save as Image so you can access it anytime from your gallery. Now, if your Wi-Fi connection is slow or unstable, here's a quick fix that often works. Tap Forget at the bottom, then reconnect to the same network by selecting it again from the available networks list and entering the password. This refreshes the connection and clears temporary glitches that may be affecting your speed. If you need to connect to a new network, go back to the Wi-Fi menu and tap Add Network. Enter the network name and password, and if it's a hidden network, turn on the Hidden Network option before saving. This is useful for offices or private networks that don't broadcast their name. Another quick way to connect is by scanning a QR code. Just tap the QR code icon at the top right corner of the Wi-Fi screen, then scan the code from another device to connect instantly. Now tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner to access more advanced features. Here you'll find options like Wi-Fi Direct, Intelligent Wi-Fi, and Advanced Settings. Wi-Fi Direct lets your phone connect directly to other devices like printers or another phone without needing a router, which is perfect for fast file transfers. Then there's Intelligent Wi-Fi, which is designed to automatically optimize your connection. It can switch to a better network when available, detect suspicious Wi-Fi connections, and even help your phone decide when to use mobile data instead for a smoother experience. Once you start exploring and adjusting these settings, you'll notice your Galaxy S26 connects faster, stays more stable, and gives you more control over how your internet works. And that's it! If this guide helped you manage, fix, or improve your Wi-Fi connection, give this video a like or check out another tutorial to get even more out of your new Samsung Galaxy S26. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this one.